Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking in the foundations. Pick your niche and 3 repeatable series so your content aligns with an audience. Once chosen, create or use a Google account and build the channel name and visual identity, logo and banner that read at 2,560 times 1,440. Then make the channel description, add links, and input contact details for business inquiries. Make sure to add basic SEO tags and one focused keyword. This first setup ensures viewers and algorithms can find you. Next, you build content consistently. Plan 4-8 scripts per series and storyboard a strong hook, value-packed middle, and a clear CTA. Then record at 1080p or higher with clean audio and consistent lighting. Frame for 16:9. Once recorded, edit for rhythm, cut dead time, insert B-roll, and layer music at -15 dB. After editing, craft clickable thumbnails and optimize titles, descriptions, and tags. Make sure to add captions and chapters, so retention and discoverability improve over time. Finally, you launch and iterate. Release on a predictable schedule. Start with 1 video per week and scale to 2-3. Use premieres, playlists, and pinned comments to boost initial watch time and promote across socials and collaborations. Make sure to monitor analytics weekly. Watch CTR, average view duration, and traffic sources. If a video underperforms, tweak the thumbnail and title, test alternate CTAs, and inspect the retention graph to find drop points. This troubleshooting loop is how you steadily grow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.